So guys, before you encounter a problem, creating a system restore point on your device is very important, because once you encounter a problem, you can easily switch back to a particular point of your Windows. What is up, viewers? You're watching Cracky Solutions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a system restore point. Alright guys, first thing we need to go ahead and do is to go over to our Windows icon and click on it so that we can be able to type in this PC. So go ahead and type in this PC, and you can either right click on it to get to the properties, or you can on the left hand side as well find the properties option there. So click on either of these two. So click on it, and then it should bring up a Windows that looks like exactly like this one. Alright guys, so what we're going to be looking for is the system protection option. On the top left hand side, you're going to find it there. Click on the system protection, and then it should bring out this little Windows right here. So guys, you're going to find the available drives on your PC right under the protection settings option there. So we're going to go ahead and select our drive which we have our Windows installed in it. And if you, in case you don't know which drive, like maybe you have multiple drives on your system, on your screen right now, and you don't know which one that Windows is currently installed on, you're going to look at each of the disk drive icons. You're going to find it's very tiny. You're going to find the Windows icon right on top of it. That is tell you the particular disk that your Windows is currently running on. So I'm going to go ahead and select my own and then click on configure. So right on this page, you're going to find this two options: turn on system protection and disable system protection. Make sure you're checked on the turn on system protection. So check on it and then allocate disk size. So you're going to go over to this place that says maximum usage and just allocate any particular size you want. So I'm going to allocate we're going to allocate, let's say 30%. So you can also allocate at least 10%. I advise you to go for more. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and select 30% just for this video. So you can as well go higher, but the minimum you should like at least look for is 10%. So I'm going to go ahead and click on apply and then okay. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on create. You are going to name your system restore point. So you're going to name it, you can pretty much name it anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and rename this restore point. So once you're done naming it, you go ahead and click on create, and it should just do its thing. And once it is done, you should have successfully created a system restore point. So guys, before you encounter a problem, creating a system restore point on your device is very important, because once you encounter a problem, you can easily switch back to a particular point of your Windows. That is, if I encounter a problem on my Windows, or my Windows crashed, let's say next 2 years, I can go back to this exact point where all these files were. And once it's done, it should say the restore point was created successfully. Go ahead and click on close and then click on OK, then finally exit your window. So guys, just before you leave, you want to keep watching my videos, you can go ahead and click on this video you see right here. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. Click on that video and continue watching my videos. And you can as well go ahead and feel free to drop your comments down based on this video or any other topic regarding Windows or computers in general. So without further ado, I will see you in my next video.